into combustion chamber, then strike on turbine blade. Due to turbine blade are rotate, obtain rotational power, so it is called as gas turbine. Simply imagine a compressor. That compressor suck the air from atmosphere, then after complete the compression process, then compressed air sent in combustion chamber. Our combustion chamber increase the pressure, temperature and velocity of the compressed air. That means after combustion process, our the compressed air velocity increase. That velocity, the air jet are strike on the turbine blade. Due to turbine rotor are rotate, so obtain the mechanical useful of energy on the shaft, that is known as the gas turbine. And the work obtained from the turbine utilized in the running of compressor, 2/3 part, and the 1/3 part is the work in our output work. Simply when our turbine the rotational power, that is the output power, some part 2/3 part of the generate the power through the our turbine utilize in the run our compressor, and the remaining 1/3 is the final output of the our gas turbine. Due to, you can say that the gas turbine efficiency not 100%, but he is lie between the 35 to 45%. Simply, and any you are study in the thermodynamics. You are study in thermodynamics. Our heat energy is the low grade energy, and our mechanical energy, that means rotational or gear mechanism or belt. When power transfer, when suppose mechanical is the high grade energy and our heat energy is the low grade energy. When low grade energy to convert high grade energy, more losses are occur, and this conversion used to a converter. So the heat energy convert into mechanical energy here are in gas turbine are same. In our gas turbine, in our internal combustion engine and our gas turbine, both are low grade energy convert into high grade energy in the mechanical energy. That means here are some loss of energy. 100% conversion is not occur because of low grade to high grade conversion. During the some loss are occur. So the efficiency of the any heat energy of the system, this efficiency lie between 35% to 40%. You mean when I am asked what is the efficiency of the our internal combustion engine or auto cycle, diesel cycle, any one of them, our gas turbine, then simply you give answer the efficiency of the any thermodynamic